Una good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you dey. This na Matters Arising here, and welcome back again. For the matter today, we still dey talk about Ifeanyi Adeleke, the son of Davido Adeleke, wey Lagos State Police Command don confam when dem don conduct their autopsy say na drowning na im kpai Ifeanyi Adeleke. The state police public relations officer Benjamin na im don confam dis recent development. You know say before we still dey talk say na dis one na dat one na im kpai the boy, but now the Lagos State Police Command dem don come out, dem don talk say na water, too much water na im kpai Ifeanyi Adeleke, and it is quite an unfortunate happening because this matter e just get as e be. Where the nanny dey, where the cook dey, where the waka, where dem leave this boy for 2 good hours. In fact, e fit even pass 2 hours, person no know. Where would they have been? They leave the work, only work wey they give them. They say make they look pikin, but they leave the work wey they say make they do, go they do another thing. They leave pikin, 3 years old pikin, they do another thing. It is such a sad something, and we really sympathize with the family of Adeleke. Lagos State Police still don talk say dem go still hold the nanny and dem go still hold the cook for negligence. Dem go still detain dem. They still dey do their investigation, and when that is over, we go know as the matter be. In other news, our music superstar from Nigeria wey im name na Ayo Balogun, but we sabi am as Wizkid, im don come out say make old people make dem leave Nigerian politics matter. Im say make dem leave the Nigerian election wey dey happen for 2023 as e be say their matter e don tire everybody. Old people just dey rule Nigeria, dey make Nigeria dey dabaru, and na im come make Wizkid come talk say I'm about to go on this election. All these old men are going out of power this time. They need to go to an old people's home and chill out. Una know say for our country Nigeria, we never get any young person. Na so old people na im dey rule us for our country. Wizkid don say make dem carry their wahala dey go. Also im album when e suppose release on the November 4, 2022, when e dey excited just dey post about since, im don postpone am because of wetin happen to Ifeanyi Adeleke, Davido pikin, wey autopsy don reveal say im die by drowning. Na Peter Obi abi na Atiku abi na Kwankwaso abi na Ahmed Bola Tinubu na im you go vote for? Vote wisely. Moving on to other news, this one na about Hush Puppy. Una sabi am now, the popular Instagram celebrity wey dem don sen ten ce to 11 years imprisonment by the United States Central District Court in California. Una remember say for 2020 June na im dem go arrest am for Dubai, and dem come carry am from Dubai carry am go United States, where after everything United States dem come charge am for fraud and money laundering, multiple counts of hacking, impersonation, scamming, banking fraud and identity theft. All dis one na im we dey sabi as yahoo yahoo. Im come plead guilty to all dis charge. Na im dem come don sen ten ce am to 11 years imprisonment. Before im go come out, e go don old oo. Hey, bad thing no good oo. Stay away from bad things. However, dem don come out now come talk say no be dem talk that one oo. So stay tuned to my channel make you know wetin go happen to Hush Puppy. If you never go buy your farming tools, hurry make you go buy am o, because the president of Nigeria, Buhari, e don talk say is either you farm or you die of hunger, and make una stop to dey complain. Na im tell Nigerian people o. Na wow. See wetin president of country dey talk. Im talk dis one, e say una no get any reason to dey complain of hunger o, say food boku for Nigeria, and despite say flood e don carry everywhere, all the place wey we dey carry food come for Nigeria, im say food boku, and say God don bless us with farm, God don bless us with rain. Say which reason as a Nigerian wey you go get say you dey hungry? If you dey hungry, go farm na im our president talk. Im say im know say flood water e don carry all the place wey dem dey farm, but rice still dey, and Nigeria dem fit still feed themselves. So the earlier you start to carry your farming tools dey go farm, the better for you, else you go just kpai because of hunger. My people, na here we go end o. See you next time, and don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe and join my channel. This is Matters Arising here. See you next time. Bye bye guys.